Hey guys, Jay here, WoodPigeon Outdoors. Great to see you all again. As you guys probably know, it is maple season. Alright, or ending of the maple season. So basically, a buddy of mine brought over some of his delicious maple syrup, right? And what we're going to do today is turn maple syrup into maple sugar. Stay tuned. So I'm hoping you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative for you guys. So here is the finished product in a jar. So it's basically the same jar that the maple syrup came in. One tip for this is start off slowly, all right? So you heat it up slowly and so on and so forth. And then once it starts to boil, you gotta keep stirring it. This was 18 ounces of maple syrup, so that's, I think, roughly 540 milliliters conversion rate and all that. And it gives me about 16 ounces, so you lose about 2 ounces, but that's just basically the water evaporating off and everything like that. Made myself a cup of coffee and going to put some of that maple sugar into my coffee. There you go. Going to quote Stephen over at Hike and Deep. You Canadians really love your maple sugar or maple syrup. So if you don't know Stephen from Hike and Deep, go over to his channel, check him out. I want to thank my buddy that brought, he doesn't want to be named, but he does have a sugar shack here in Quebec. And another thing too, when you try to make this maple sugar, do not use this junk. This is not real maple syrup. This is corn starch with sugar and maple flavoring added. If you want the real maple syrup, go to your sugar bush or maple syrup bush, or, you know, get the real stuff. Basically put And yeah, take your time. It does take, for that 18 ounces or 540 milliliters, it did take roughly an hour to start to finish. If you're doing a bigger batch, consider your time for that as well. Near the end, as you saw, it got really hard to stir. So keep that in mind. Anyways, as always, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new here, like, comment, subscribe, and all that fun YouTube stuff. Because why? It's free. And as always, stay safe out there. Cheers.